I'm going on a bike ride. Oh shoot, flat tire.
Hi, I'm Archie, and I'm going to teach you how to fix a flat tire. These are the tools you'll need. You'll need a pump, 2 tire levers, and a crescent wrench.
I'm going to pump up my tire. Oh shoot, a hole.
If you have a puncture, you have 2 choices. One is to fix the puncture with a patch kit, and 2 is to replace the tube. The first step to taking off the wheels is to squeeze these 2 together and then take out this little nub. Then you take your crescent wrench and loosen the nuts. Now we can use our hands. Same for the other side. And then we can take out our wheel.
Now go.
First step on taking off a tire is to let the air. So now you use your nail or something to poke this little needle, and it will let out the air, as you can hear. Air's not out there. We need to squeeze here on the tire and put your tire lever in. And then clamp it right here. Now we need to do the same with the other one. You put it in here, you clamp it like this, but you don't attach it. You bring it all the way around. Like so. Now we got a tire. Now we need to do the same with the other side. Now we just need to rip it off like so. And now we can get the tube out of the tire. Now we can see where the hole is. Now we're in this way we're just going to be replacing the tube. Now we're going to inspect right here all around to see if there's any sharp objects that may puncture in this and this. So it doesn't look like it or feel like it. And we'll move on to the tire. Nothing in here. And now you can put your tube back in. Now we're going to put the tire back on. So now we have it on.
2, 1.
Now we need to pump up the tire. On this rim on the inside, it says 20 psi. So we're going to pump that up to that much. On other bikes, it would say probably something else, or 20 psi. On the gauge, it says 20 psi. So you're going to pump it up to 20 psi right here, where the black arrow should be. Now we're going to watch it pump up. Now we're going to take the thing out. We're going to take this little thing out. And like so, like this. And we're done.
Holy!
Thanks. Now, okay. Now we're going to push this out so we can see the hole. Right here. Now we're going to put this valve in and put it through the hole. And you want to make sure it's nice and straight in there, or there's a good chance of getting a puncture. Now you go you put your fingers in like so, and like that, and then push it in like this.
Oh, we took ours off in here and then we went there, so they might have gotten mixed up.
Now,
Yeah, we did.
what you want to do is shake it so it falls out, and then put. If you're having trouble with the last part, put a tie lever in like this, and then out. Tire is on. Inflate the tire by using the pump again. Put the thing into it, and then push that like that. Alright, now stand up. The tire. Pump it up. One down.
To put the tire back on, you put it on here first, and then you just tighten these.
What's your?
Which you should hold at the back because that makes it easier. It applies more force using less effort. Now we should. Oh shoot! Never mind. Okay, now other side.
Over like so. Okay, and loosen it. Now we do the same with the other side.
First off, we should tighten it using this, and then we're going to tighten it more.
There we go. Now it's tightened.
There we go.
Now it's tightened. 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching. Cheers.